Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can crop images and photos inside your app designs and projects on Base44. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your app project inside your workspace in Base44, open the preview mode here in the top left and then switch to the canvas so that you may see the page of your app design in the canvas view. In this case here the home page. If you'd like to switch to a different page, navigate to page view here and choose, for example, another page from your app. Now, here in the canvas view, what you want to do is enable the edit mode here to the right, and then position or place or insert an image first by using that image placeholder here. Choose the source and position your image. Upload it from your device, for example, from Google Drive. Position it here on your canvas of the app page. So I have already done it, guys. So let me show you how you can crop this. So once you are given access to that image here inside your canvas, what you want to do is left click into it, select this icon below, crop, and then use these corners to crop the image, right, like this. Click into apply, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.